dropped the hammer today on an Albuquerque child care center. The place had no license, no inspections, and no background checks. Here's News 13's Nancy Laughlin.
Well, Dick, the business owner says she has been operating and caring for and teaching kids for 4 years. She says she has a business license, but the state of New Mexico says that does not matter.
The Language Academy right off Central by I-25 has colorful pictures, drawings, and a globe. But the state of New Mexico says what this child care facility doesn't have is a license.
We actually did a site visit this morning and did find out that they're not licensed. As a result, we gave them a cease and desist letter, making them shut down because they're not licensed, they're not legal right now.
And CYFD says when it comes to child care, that is an absolute must. The state does annual checks to make sure businesses like this are inspected for fire and safety hazards. And
one of the big things that we do is run background checks on any of the operators and employees of these facilities. We're looking to make sure that there are no sexual offenders or anybody with a criminal background.
Jesse Morlock's 3-year-old son was one of the kids who attended the academy. He says his son complained he was being bullied by other kids and came home with bruises and scratches. Morlock says when he tried to talk to employees,
they were very aggressive towards us, which was a shock to us because, you know, my wife and I come from a family of nurses and teachers, so that was really strange.
So he says he and his wife did some checking and discovered the place wasn't licensed by the state.
I was shocked. I don't know how else to describe it, just that I was shocked.
This afternoon we called the owner of the academy. She hung up, and when I called her back, she didn't pick up. Late tonight, she did send us an email saying she didn't operate a child care facility, but a language academy for 3 to 5-year-olds. The state says that doesn't matter.
Okay, the state says any facility that cares for multiple kids must have a license to operate. Now, less than an hour ago, the owner did call, and she said she will apply for that license. That can take up to 6 weeks. Back to you.
Right, Nancy, CYFD says if you have any questions about a daycare facility, you can go to the department's website to see if it is licensed or to see how it has done on its inspections. Now, we have a link to that page on krqe.com.